Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Growth. I'm Peter, and today we're going to tackle something that almost everyone faces in real life, speaking English over the phone with delivery or food app drivers. Now tell me if this sounds familiar. You order food online, you wait patiently, then your phone rings and suddenly you hear, "Yo, your Uber's out front," or "Hey, can't find your building, bro." You freeze for a second, right? The accent is new, there's traffic noise in the background, maybe some slang, and you're not sure what they just said. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common real-life English struggles for learners. It's not that the grammar is difficult, it's the speed, accent, and informality that make it tricky. In this episode, we'll learn how to handle these phone calls calmly and confidently. You'll hear me talk to different people, food delivery drivers, customer service staff, and a courier agent, just like in real life. You'll learn not just what to say, but how to listen, confirm, and repeat politely so you never panic when someone says, "Hey, can't find your gate." Here's what we'll cover today. A real phone call with a food delivery driver who can't find the building, how to report a missing or wrong order politely, a quick chat with a courier driver delivering a parcel, and finally, fluency practice, simple lines you can repeat and use anytime. Remember, when it comes to phone English, clarity is more important than grammar. You don't have to speak fast or fancy. You just need to sound calm and clear. Let's look at a quick example. If someone says, "Yo, your food's outside," you can reply, "You're outside building 12, right?" "Okay, I'll come downstairs now." Two short, clear sentences. That's it. No stress, no confusion. Many learners make the mistake of expecting perfect, polite English on the phone. Something like, "Good evening, sir. Your order has arrived." But real life isn't like that. Drivers often speak fast, casually, or even mix slang. The key is to listen for main words, outside, gate, building, delivery, and then confirm what you understood. For example, "Sorry, did you say building 12? Could you please wait near the main gate?" These simple confirmation lines can save you from panic. So today, I'll show you how to sound polite but natural, even when the call feels messy or unclear. You'll hear real dialogues, learn the right tone, and get phrases you can use immediately. All right, ready? Let's start with our first scenario, a food delivery driver who can't find the building. Let's see how to handle that call with calm, confident English.
Hey, bro, I'm outside your place but can't find your building. You near the main gate or backside?
Hi, thanks for calling. Could you tell me which gate you're at? Is it the one near the cafe?
Yeah, I think so. I see a small coffee shop. Green Bean Cafe, is that the one?
Yes, perfect. That's right near my building. I'm in building 4 next to the cafe. You'll see a blue gate with number 4 on it.
Got it, bro. Just checking. Flat 202, right?
Yes, that's correct. Second floor, flat 202.
Cool, man. I'm walking over. It's kind of busy here. Lots of bikes.
No problem. Take your time. I'll come downstairs to make it easy.
Appreciate it. Also, your app says pin location at gate 3. That's a little off, yeah?
Yes, sometimes the app drops the pin at the wrong spot. Thanks for checking. Next time you can just search for Blue Gate Building 4. That'll take you right here.
Sweet. That helps a lot. I'm turning left now. Almost there.
Great, I can see you. You're wearing a red jacket, right?
Yup, that's me. Holding your food like treasure, man.
Perfect. Thanks for bringing it safely.
No worries. Here's your order. 1 veggie wrap and iced coffee.
That's correct. Thanks again for calling instead of guessing. Really appreciate it.
Always, bro. Makes life easier for both of us. Have a good one.
You too, Mike. Drive safe. And that's how you handle a delivery call. Short, calm, and clear. Notice how the driver used casual words like bro, yeah, cool, and sweet. That's normal.
You don't need to copy that slang, just stay polite and focused on information. Let's look at what worked in that call. Peter confirmed the location. Could you tell me which gate you're at? He gave clear directions. You'll see a blue gate with number 4 on it. He repeated important details. Yes, that's correct. Second floor, flat 202. These short confirmations make your English sound confident, even when the caller speaks fast. Now, a few useful words from this conversation. Pin location, the point your app shows on the map. Gate or entrance, where the driver arrives. Flat or apartment number, your exact room or unit. Take your time, a polite way to say no hurry. Drive safe, a friendly, natural way to end a call. If you ever feel unsure, just repeat what you heard. Did you say gate 3? You're near the cafe, right? I'll come downstairs now. Simple, natural, clear. All right, that was our first call, easy and friendly. Now let's move to a more tricky situation, when something goes wrong. Maybe your food arrives late or an item is missing. How do you handle that politely in English?
Hello. Thanks for calling Quick Eat Support. My name's Lena. How can I help you today?
Hi, Lena. Good evening. I just received my food order, but one item seems to be missing.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me take a quick look. Could you please give me your order number?
Sure, it's 45892, a veggie wrap combo from Green Bean Cafe.
Thank you. Okay, I see your order here. You were supposed to receive 1 veggie wrap and 1 iced coffee, right?
Yes, that's correct. The wrap is here, but the coffee didn't arrive.
Got it. That must have been missed by the restaurant or driver. I can arrange a refund or send the missing item again. Which do you prefer?
A refund would be fine. It's getting a bit late now.
No problem. I understand. I'll process that right away. You'll see the refund in your app within 24 hours.
Great, thank you. Do I need to upload any picture or receipt?
Nope, not for a missing item. But thanks for asking. That helps a lot of people.
I'm sure you get hundreds of calls like this every day.
Oh, yes. But yours was very clear and polite, so that makes it easy. Anything else I can help you with?
That's all. Thanks again for your help, Lena.
You're welcome, Peter. Enjoy your meal and have a great evening.
You too. Bye. Now that's how you politely report a missing or wrong order in English. It's short, respectful, and clear. No need to sound angry or nervous. The goal is to describe the problem and confirm the solution. Let's break down a few key lines you can use. Hi, I just received my order, but one item is missing. Could you please check my order number? A refund would be fine, thank you. That's all for now. Thanks for your help. Simple, calm English. You'll notice I didn't use complicated words, just clear and polite communication. Here are some important phrases from this type of call. Order number, a reference code for your purchase. Refund, money returned for a missing or wrong item. Process or arrange, to handle or complete a request. Within 24 hours, common phrase for short waiting time. Missing item, the part of your order that didn't arrive. And here's a useful tip. In most Western countries, customer service staff speak in a friendly, informal tone. They may say, "Hey," or "No worries." That's not unprofessional, it's just relaxed English. You can respond with the same polite energy. So, whenever something goes wrong with your order, don't panic or sound upset. Stay calm, explain clearly, and thank them at the end. It makes the call easier for everyone, and your English will sound smooth and confident. All right, food sorted. Now imagine this. It's not food, but a package delivery. The courier is outside, confused about your street. Let's see how to handle that next.
Great, good afternoon. This is Jake from Speed Ship Delivery. I've got a package for you, but I can't seem to find your exact address. Are you near Central Park?
Hi, Jake. Yes, I'm close to Central Park, right behind the Green Cafe on Maple Street. Do you see a tall white building with a blue sign that says Maple Residency?
Wait a second. Yeah, I think I see it now. Near the corner, right?
Exactly, that's the one. I'm in Building B, apartment 204.
Okay, got it. But there's a locked gate in front. Should I drop it at the security desk or hand it to you directly?
I'll come down to the gate. It's easier that way. Are you parked near the entrance?
Yeah, just by the side of the road. I'm in a white van with the Speed Ship logo.
Perfect. I can see you now. You're holding a medium box, right?
Yep, that's the one. Feels right, though. Maybe some gadgets inside.
Just a phone charger this time. Nothing exciting.
Ah, good to know. Okay, could you please sign here on my screen? Sure.
That call shows how to handle a courier or package delivery politely and efficiently. The key idea is to give clear landmarks and confirm what the driver says. Remember, delivery drivers don't always speak formal English. They're focused on finding your location quickly. Here's what worked well in that call. I confirmed the direction. Yes, I'm close to Central Park, right behind the cafe. I gave a clear building name, Maple Residency, Building B. And I confirmed visual details. I can see you, white van with the Speed Ship logo. These short, clear phrases help anyone find you easily. Let's review some key vocabulary from this situation. Courier or delivery driver, person who brings your package. Landmark, a visible place near your location, like a park or cafe. Gate or entrance, the place where the delivery happens. Drop-off, to leave a parcel at a specific point. Sign here, common phrase when confirming delivery. Also notice how Jake said things like, "You near Central Park?" or "Should I drop it at the security desk?" That's everyday spoken English, short and direct. You can reply naturally without copying slang. For example, "Yes, I'm right behind the cafe. I'll come down to the gate. You can leave it with security, thank you." Phone English doesn't need to be complicated, just polite, simple, and focused on clarity. Let's finish our lesson with a quick recap and fluency practice so you can sound confident on every call you get. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on phone conversations with delivery and food app drivers. You've now heard 3 real-life examples: a food delivery call, a support call for a missing order, and a courier delivery. Each one teaches you something important. Stay calm, listen carefully, and confirm clearly. Most learners panic when they hear fast or casual English on the phone. But remember, the goal isn't perfect grammar, it's clear understanding. You only need to catch the key words: outside, gate, building, refund, delivery, sign here. Once you hear those, you already know what the conversation is about. Let's do a short fluency practice together. Listen to each sentence and repeat it slowly and confidently. You're outside Building C, right? I'll come downstairs now. Could you please confirm my order number? Sorry, one item is missing from my order. That's fine, a refund would be okay. You'll see a blue gate with number 4 on it. I'll meet you at the main entrance. Thanks for calling. Drive safe. Excellent. Keep those lines handy. They'll work in nearly every delivery or service situation. Now let's quickly review a few useful words and phrases from today's episode. Pin location, the point shown in your delivery app map. Drop-off point, where the driver leaves your order. Order ID or order number, your tracking reference. Refund, money returned for a missing or wrong item. Landmark, a nearby place that helps someone find your address. Gate, entrance, security desk, common meeting spots for deliveries. Customer support, the team you call when something goes wrong. When speaking on the phone, follow 3 simple rules. 1. Stay calm. Even if the accent is hard to understand, take a breath before replying. 2. Repeat what you understood. For example, did you say gate 3? Or you're near the cafe, right? 3. End politely. Thanks for calling, or have a good day, leaves a good impression. It's also normal if you don't understand every single word. Native speakers shorten sentences or use local slang. Hey, bro. Cool, man. You're all set. Just focus on the message, not the slang. Polite confirmation is always enough. If you practice these calls out loud a few times, you'll start feeling more confident whenever your phone rings. You'll sound calm, helpful, and natural, exactly what clear English should be. Thanks for joining me today on The English Growth. Keep practicing these short, real-world phrases every day, at the cafe, in the elevator, or when your next delivery driver calls. Fluency doesn't grow from big grammar lessons. It grows from small, real conversations like these. Until next time, stay confident, stay polite, and keep growing your English one phone call at a time.